Isang maulan at tas na araw po. For today's video, allow me to introduce a device that is useful during flood emergencies as part of disaster preparedness. Ang malakas na ulan na nagdudulot ng baha ay nagpapagambala at nagpapaantala sa ating araw-araw na pamumuhay. Lalo na kung sa pagtaas ng baha dulot ng malakas na bagyo na umaabot na pala sa iyong bubong. Nagpapalala ng iyong kaligtasan at dagdag pa dito kung ikaw ay ma-stranded. Kaya naman situations like this needs solutions. Pinakikilala ang floating bridge, flotation device that can restore access and safety during emergency flood and rescue. Plastic floating bridge is easy to assemble, lightweight, and can save lives when roads are underwater. This floating bridge is made of high-density polyethylene or HDPE using known as thermoplastic polymer commonly used for bleach bottles, plastic jugs, shampoo bottles, pipings, and many more. This is made from high-strength UV-resistant plastic blocks that connect like puzzle pieces. Each piece floats and locks in place, creating a safe and stable walkway or even a roadway across floodwaters. This floating bridge is an alternative solution in flood-prone villages and emergency evacuations. It is a strong, fast-deploying and engineered for action. For rapid deployment, modular and adaptable, engineered for emergency response, built to carry the load, people and vehicles. Floating bridges offer several benefits including versatility, minimal environmental impact, and cost-effectiveness. They can be temporary or permanent structures, and their ability to adapt to different water levels makes them suitable for various locations and situations. For more inquiry, please contact Goodhand Security Products Corp with 20 store branches, or you can contact our hotline 0917-560-9365. Maraming salamat po.